Hey everybody, my name is Alex with Hake Hardware and I am back with another GPU cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning the EVGA GTX 560 SC 2GB. This is a pretty cool card. I definitely like the styling with the strip here. We'll see, it looks not to be too dirty, so we'll give it a clean and we'll do some benchmarks and see what happens. So let's get cleaning.
looking at the benchmarks, we can see that there really isn't a big difference pre-clean versus post-clean. We have 3066 for the pre-clean, 3067 for the post-clean. So yes, it's 1 point better. The scores, though, kind of go left and right as far as which one does better. However, there was an interesting thing down here under graphics card. The average temperature again was cooler. So in the last video with the GTX 1070, the results exactly the same, but the average temperature was also a few degrees Celsius cooler. So it looks like although we're not seeing performance results, we are seeing average temperatures being lower, which definitely helps with the long-term longevity of the card, and maybe for longer gaming sessions or less ideal temperature-wise gaming sessions, we could see a large improvement after the cleaning. I think in future videos I might do a stress test that lasts a little bit longer than this just couple minute long fire strike uh, benchmark here, because I think it's not testing it long enough to really see the thermal benefits of changing out the thermal paste and the thermal pads on these older GPUs. So I'll see you in the next video, and maybe we'll switch it up a little bit and try some additional benchmarks. Thanks for watching.